bingi man, Robin Hood, coming good with the sound. Check it out, bingi man, Robin Hood, coming good, vocally. Tell them the bingi,
Why, too much madness upon the land, yeah. I got to wonder if it's because the time's so hard. Lord have mercy. Oh yes, I got to wonder if it's because of too much drinking, or it caused from too much smoking. I don't know. I want to know, Lord. Yes, if drink lover.
Beep, 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 beep. They call them madness. Who know what this? Call them Mr. Man or Robin Hood, bingi man. They call them madness. I said they who know what this? Come bingi man and Mr. Biggie come dress. One drop a love on the size. Everybody think about the one at your tries. You really wanna get them man nice. Who make them one get them pop. So Robin and Mr. Bingi man in. Give me the vocalist a one drop in. It's a #1 sound. Coming up and down. Robin Hood, bingi man, check this one out. Yo, madness. All I want is Babylon, the thing matter is yours.
Most of these people come from the wickedness of our own people, yes, because they don't want to see their brothers and sisters reach the road of success. But I'm open for the will change this situation. For his bad money dreadful. Rhythm them. Sin, yes, if trade number. Rhythm them. Yes, if mad number.
Robin, look what the man that me name. Everybody check this one sound, check 1, 2, I coming down. Eastwood a sound. Rock a man that put up the dance, got a ground. Give me one a trouble, chest a sound. Beat me no one, take me, beat me no one. Get the Robin, bingi man not coming. Vocally a style #1, check a sound. So,
yes, if trade novel. Madness upon the world, in mad novel. Say give thanks and praise unto Jah the Almighty and sin. So my brother Roddy Robin would tell him, you understand?